In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the throttle trigger on a Mantis or older style Mantis tiller. And this one is a 1985 model, and the Mantis was introduced in 1980, and this one has the SV2AE Echo engine on it. You want to start off by taking off the top screw. You don't need to take out the bottom one. Just take this out, take the nut off, and take the bolt out too. Just slide that off. When you get it off, pull the trigger out and just tilt it and slide it out just like that. And take your other one, just slide back in there. Put it back on there. Put the bolt in and take a pick with a hook end on it and just pull that spring out just enough to get that bolt through there. See that spring right there. Get it past so it sits on that bolt. Take your pick out and put the nut in there. Just get it threaded on the nut and shove that all the way up until it stops, and then turn it back up. It's just plastic, so you don't need to really tighten it, just enough to snug it up. If you have any questions, comments about replacing the throttle trigger on a Mantis tiller, let me know. And thanks for watching.